Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Karen K. Rush and I am Amazing K. And today is December 18th, 2024, and it is National Twins Day. Yay! Hey guys, it's National Twins Day. Who is a twin? If you are a twin, then I salute you because it's your day. This is the day that we bring awareness and we recognize people that are the siblings that carry that special bond that's been together ever since birth and before birth. They are wonderful people. Just to let you know some statistics about twins, they make up 3/4 of the population. And they can be fraternal twins, which means 2 eggs, or they can be identical twins, which is 1 egg that split into 2. So we just want to give homage to them because they're special, unique people. They have a special bond. They could finish each other's sentences. They know what you think. They could have different personalities, but we just want to salute twins on National Twins Day. Now, you know, the first weekend in August in Twinsburg, Ohio, is National Twins Festival. They have a whole festival dedicated to twins, to these very special people who hold this special bond. And the majority of twins come from the African American culture, African American race, and the least amount of twins come from the Latino Hispanic race. Okay, so there's some facts about twins. We know famous twins. We have some famous twins. We know the most famous ones were Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen. Look at how they have changed. We used to watch them on Full House when they were little girls. Actually, it was one twin playing both parts because they have laws in Hollywood that children can only work for so long. And being a sitcom, they went on for hours. So they had a set of twins that worked for one character. And then we also have Sister. Look at that. These girls, warmed our hearts back in the 80s, and they grew up now. They have lives of their own, but they're still connected like twins are. So I want to tell you about my personal twins in my family. I am blessed to have identical twin nieces and identical twin nephews. So my nieces are the oldest. And the nephew, my sister, had 2 sets of twins. Yes, one sister had 2 sets of twins. And she also had 3 other children, single births. But since today is Twins Day, I'm going to talk about Sherry and Terry. These are my oldest nieces of that family. And they are just such a joy. We used to call them Nieces to Pieces when they were little because they would just do everything together. They had these high squeaky voices, but they are grown up to be full-blown women right now. And here they are at each of their weddings. They were the matron of honor of each other's weddings. And they're just a joy to be your aunt. I am so proud to be their aunt because all of the accomplishments they have made, they're beautiful mothers, and one is a beautiful grandmother. And we're just so excited to have them as part of our family. Happy Twin Day, Sherry and Terry. And we also have my twin nephews. Here they are. They are such a joy as well. I am so proud of them, to the men that they have grown up to be. Here they are in the middle when they were younger, when they were babies. And now look at them with babies of their own, children of their own now. And I'm just so proud of them as well. They have their own business. They're entrepreneurs. Yes, so if you need your carpet cleaned, call my nephews, okay? So I'm so excited about Malcolm and Marcus. Happy Twin Day to you as well. So I am Karen K. Rush. Be bold, be blessed, be you. And when I say you, I mean your original uniqueness. Bye-bye. This episode of Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K was sponsored by Rush Travels and Adventures. We show you how you can save money and earn money on the business side of travel. If that's something you want to know more about, give us a call because we can help you develop your financial future all over the world. We can change your life for the rest of your life and beyond. Rush Travels and Adventures. This episode of Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K was edited by the amazing Ayikwe Daniels. for all your editing needs. You can contact him at Instagram at starwolf_D. That's STARWOLF_D. This is Karen K. Rush, and I approve this message.